What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Today we are going to be trying these little thumb grippy things. I saw one of the guys I fly with using these and they look really nice. They're pretty expensive though, they're like 20 bucks, but I think that they're going to be really nice. I'm a pincher, I don't like to thumb, I like to pinch. So this creates a little bit more contact area that I can grab onto. I think it's going to make the grip quite a bit better. So I want to try that out today. We're at a new spot. It's just a local park, not too busy right now. And also, I got a new GoPro. The screen is not cracked anymore. So I used my Best Buy Geek Squad protection. I paid $40 for a brand new GoPro Hero 8. So I know I've said it before, but if you haven't bought a GoPro yet, buy it from Best Buy and get the protection plan because it's so worth it. It's expensive at first, but for every replacement, the max you pay is like 40 bucks. It's super cheap, it's well worth it, and the plan's good for 2 years. And you can do it unlimited amount of times. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, I'm not cool enough for that yet, but I just wanted to say, because it's a really good deal. I don't know why they do it, because it's a huge ripoff for them, but it's perfect for FPV pilots. Oh, that feels weird. Yeah, those feel real weird. Let's try that move again. Nope. Man, I am not used to these. Hey, how about that? Maddie flipping a line. Nope, that was terrible. Terrible. Ah. So this is one of those things that doesn't seem like a big deal, but like your thumb just sits a little bit differently on these. And I don't know, it's way grippier. I like that, but it's gonna take some getting used to. My other ones were like flat on the top here, and these are like rounded. So it's a much different feeling, and it's gonna take some practice for sure. But so far, I mean, I love the grip. It feels much better, especially in the cold here where it's typically a little bit slipperier, it feels like, but they're gripping nice and tight. I feel like I have precise control. I just need to get used to the different feel a little bit. But so far, so good. Also, I'm really happy I don't have to worry about my stupid GoPro not recording. I was so pissed off when I went to that nuclear plant. I'm gonna have to go back there again, probably this weekend, and give it another shot with a fresh GoPro, because I'm so pissed I didn't get that footage. That really, really sucks. But look forward to that. But now we have an NPC. Every FPV pilot's worst nightmare. Let's hope they don't go running around crazy right in front of the drone, because they're already parked right in front of the spot that I was doing the Matty flips. Second pack. It's getting pretty windy. Ah, I fucked that up. I think I'm gonna like these things. I just can't get the timing on that trick right, though. Oh crap, I had to bail out. Yeah, I think I'm over rotating, and that's why I'm not getting the backwards momentum that I want. So I think my alignment was good there. I'm losing so much momentum though. Oh, nice hit. Those are the best crashes. You're just going way too fast. I don't think I should have done that with that low of battery because it's pretty low, and I just don't think I had the power to pull out of that. And I probably got on the throttle too late too. Well, first crash with this GoPro and the screen is already broken. So this happened in one day, and it took my previous GoPro like a whole month to do this. So that kind of sucks, but I can just go get another one if I decide to. I think I should be okay still with the recording because I found that the screen doesn't really seem to have an impact on the performance of these things. You just have to deal with the splintered glass crap, but I think I should be okay still. All right, well, I'm gonna call it a day. Had a couple nice crashes in there, but I found out what I wanted to find out, and that's that I love those grippy things. I will put the link in the description down below if you want to check them out. I highly recommend them. They're super, super grippy. They make you feel like you're much more in control. I know that's coming from me, the guy that crashed into a bunch of crap today, but trust me, they're really nice. You just got to get used to them a little bit. It kind of sucks that my GoPro already broke on the first crash. I just got that one yesterday, but it does seem to record, which is awesome. And like I said previously, they can take quite a bit of abuse before they're unusable. And to be honest, I don't really use the screen anyways. In fact, if I could get rid of the screen, I would, because it's heavy and I don't really need it. You can do everything you want from your phone, and I just don't see a reason for it. And that's why I think GoPro came out with that, I want to say it's the 10 or the 11 maybe, the bare bones or whatever it's called. I think that's what that one did. It took out all the unnecessary weight, and it's just the camera. That's my understanding. And that sounds really appealing because as a person that flies 4S, I don't have a lot of power to work with. And the more weight I add, the more apparent that becomes. So if I can cut out, I don't know, let's just say 50 grams, for example, that would be incredible. The quad would perform a lot better. I'd have a lot more power, or at least I'd feel like I would. And I could probably do some of the stuff that I just can't right now, especially when the batteries run down. And just another quick side note on the weight. Before I started using the 3D printed GoPro cases and the printed mounts, I was using that old school polycarbonate case with the swivel mount, the one that I just absolutely hate. And I think I saved about 60 grams from that design to what I'm currently using. And that might not sound like a lot, but trust me, it's a lot. I can definitely feel it. It feels much more responsive. It feels like it has way more power. And not to mention, the thing doesn't swivel now. So any like snappy maneuvers I do, it's not pivoting out of place. It's just staying rigid, and that's super nice. So if you're the kind of guy like me that likes to use crappy stuff for way too long, if there's no other reason than wait to update your stuff, do it. It's totally worth it, especially if you're flying on 4S. But until next time, you guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check out some other stuff from my channel. I've got freestyle videos, cinematic videos, and more vlog style stuff, kind of like this. Also, I have another segment I'm starting to do, hiking vlogs. So if that's your thing, I have some of those too. Click on that playlist. Drop a like down below, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one.